we are starting a pondless waterfall. Not just any old pondless waterfall, but this is going to be the crown jewel of this backyard and to some degree even the house. Hopefully by Friday we can get this thing up and running. Fingers crossed. Day 5, back at it here. We've got sunshine and rainbows today. David is getting some of our rocks picked out to where we can finish. We need to get some of these rocks in right up against the house here to create a little bit of a retaining wall to keep our dirt off of the foundation. So we're working on that right now, and then kind of situating this upper part of our stream where the bubbling boulder is going to be situated. And then once we get that all kind of worked out, we can back this machine out a little bit farther and continue working our way up the stream here. As always, we have a lot to do here today. I don't think I ever have a day where we don't say that. Gonna go ahead and say my line that I say every time and jump right into it, and we'll see what we can get done here.
Let's get to it.
Back at it, day 7 here. So we're gonna take a little shorter day here today. So the objective is get this water feature back up and running. So gonna go ahead and jump into it here and see what we can get done. Well, we are wrapping things up for today. Things are coming along quite nicely. Tomorrow we have all these plants back here that were originally in this area before that we're gonna start trying to work back in here, and I'm gonna see if maybe we can even add a few more plants. I'm gonna flip you around real quick and show you what this thing looks like when it's running, since I did not show you on Friday when we were finishing things up. And then we'll be back here tomorrow, show you what we got here, and get on out of here. Day 9, we are getting close to getting this thing finished up. I need to hook up some lights, and I need to get these plants all laid out so Cody knows what he's doing. As you can see, we have a lot of plants and trees and everything in here. Mulch, clean up, and just getting everything tidied so we can get on out of here tomorrow afternoon and on to the next one. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, day 10 here. We should be getting things all wrapped up here today. I need to kind of just jump into things and get as much done as possible. I've got a lot of little things to take care of. All right, finally, we are all cleaned up. See, all clean. This thing looks awesome. I am thrilled the way this all came out. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is the waterfall of the year right now. I don't think we are gonna top this late into the season. I don't know, I could be wrong if somebody else comes along and wants to go a little crazy with things here, but I would say that we packed about as much water feature as we could into this space right here. This thing is awesome. Just absolutely love this. I have total waterfall envy. Need something like this at my house now, because our waterfalls, while they're nice, they're nothing like this. As always, if you enjoy seeing content like this and you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, let us know what you think about this water feature, let all your friends know about our awesome videos here. We will see you guys on the next one. It's day 3. My head on straight. Gotta be looking good for these videos here.